Hi guys, this is Debbie and welcome back to my channel. For today's project, we're going to be doing some ink blending with masking using Distress Oxide inks, and I'm using today for my stamp set a set that's new to me from Sugarpea Designs. It's the Blow Me Away clear stamp set, and I just thought this little draft was too cute. So for the coloring, we're going to be using Spectrum Noir markers. I'm using the AG3 for the shadows and shading, and then LG3, LG2, and LG1 as the lighter colors. I'm going to speed up the coloring and then we'll get started on cutting out that mask. Okay, so now I'm going to just fussy cut out the dragon and the little pinwheel. And you want to stay as close as you can to the black line on these, but if you're going to err on either side, it's better to cut into the line a little bit instead of away from it. That way when you're blending, it'll go closer to the edge of the image that you're masking, because it kind of sucks, and I've done it quite a few times that nobody else notices but me, but I have done quite a few times where there's a little white line around my image that I did not intend to be there because I left too much of a gap when I was trying to fussy cut out my mask. And if you don't have some of these, you need them. These are some reverse tweezers, meaning it holds it. I don't have to squeeze on the thing, and it makes positioning things so much easier. So that one's in place. And there, and got these. I know you've probably seen them also. They're the picket fence blending brushes. I forgot what they're calling them. But I got these for Christmas. Have not used them as much as I need to because I need to practice on them. But so far they seem to work really well. Also, Distress Oxides tend to blend better than the Distress inks do. So that's what I'm going to use with this one. And I tend to have a heavy hand, so I'm going to try not to this time. Give him a little grass to sit on. And I remember seeing Amy R say to just clean them on a chamois, and so that's what I'm doing. Or rather, a microfiber cloth. That was an extra piece of mask. really want too much of this pink to be down in the grass, so I'm going to go ahead and just kind of mask that off with this piece of cardstock. Do like that. That is looking pretty cool. Now I need to come back in with some more green. And that's Lucky Clover Distress Oxide ink. And then I think I'm going to go back over with a little bit more of the salty ocean in the sky. Okay, let's see how that looks. So now is the cool part. We get to pull off the masks. Okay, and you can see what I was talking about before about the line of white. So what I'm going to do, and that is because I didn't cut this one correctly. I missed part of the white that I needed to cut off. So I don't like all that white there, so I'm going to go back and try to just cover up the green and then go back over it with a little bit of the blue. So now it's not nearly as noticeable. But we do have quite a bit of blue right there, but that's okay. I'm the only one, and you guys are the only ones that are going to notice that. And next I'm going to try something that I really don't do much either, and that is you do a little bit of splatter. Or some, I'm going to try putting some water on here and getting some of those nice little splotches, because I never ever do that. Which means I probably have too much water on there. That still looks pretty good. Thanks so much for dropping by. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel and check out some other of my videos. Thank you again and have a wonderful crafty day.